Nababasa mo ba yung mga comments ng mga netizen na yung mga ikinikilos mo raw unbecoming of a good congressman?
Well, yes, but like how many good congressmen do we have now? Sino yung mga model congressman natin na dapat kong gayahin? Yes, I act differently from the other congressmen, but if the average congressman is a thief, then that makes me less of a thief, right?
So mas gusto mo ng ganyan, okay lang ganun ako kumilos basta hindi ako magnanakaw.
Well, that's one way of looking at it, and I won't disagree with you. I myself, I'm telling you na hindi ako magnanakaw, but it's up to you whether or not you believe me. Okay? Because everyone, lahat ng congressman, kahit yung mga pinaka-magnanakaw na, sasabihin sa'yo hindi sila magnanakaw. But for me, if I act like the rest of Congress, then I will become like the rest of Congress. And that's not what I want to be because I can see what Congress is. And I do not want to be a part of the system that exists right now. I wish to change the system, and I believe that by acting in line with the system, I won't be able to do that. I have to not go outside the system, but I have to act as if I'm not a congressman in order to fix Congress.
Di ka natatakot daw sa mga pronouncement mo, sa mga ipinopost mo?
Should people be afraid of politicians? Should I be afraid of Romualdez or Marcos or Soto? Should you be afraid of me or of any other politician that you criticize?
So hindi ka natatakot?
Hindi naman na hindi ako natatakot. Ang problema ay kung natatakot ako. Like, for example, do we live in a country where you should be scared if you criticize a politician? Do we or do we not? Hindi naman na kung natatakot ako o hindi. Kung dapat ba akong matakot o hindi. That's the truth. And we should not be afraid of criticizing politicians. Just as everyone else, kung sasabihin lang Nepo baby o abnoy o corrupt ako, pwede ko ding sabihin yun tungkol kila Romualdez o kay Marcos o kay Soto. I should be able to say that the same way that other people should be able to say the same things about me, because it's only through communication and through airing of our grievances that we are able to create an understanding with one another. We don't think the same, we don't act the same, but if we talk, we can find our middle ground and we can find what peace we can make with each other. Unless kung, of course, like libelous na, kung nagkakalat ka ng fake news, then yun, pwede ka na makasuhan doon.
So, nabanggit mo yung Soto. Tinatanong nila kung nilalabanan mo ba si Vico Soto or nagdi-disagree ka kay Vico Soto?
Well, you can see my posts. Hindi ko kalaban si Vico Soto. I admire him. He's a great politician. And like I said before, well, yesterday, 2 days ago, nung inisip ko to go against Romualdez, he was one of the people that came into my mind. And I believe that if we are given the opportunity to create a better government after the protest, after all that will happen to our country this week, I believe that Vico Soto will be one of the builders of a better government. Tito Soto, hindi. Bads yan.
Bakit?
Well, he's very loyal to Romualdez. And that's all I have to say. No more comments on Vico Soto. Medyo nagalit na siya. Baka mamaya may sabihin na ako. Biglang makukulong na si Meow Meow.